Never thought I'd be so happy to see that old lake.
Aw, poor Jack.
Don't worry, not far to go now.
Oh no, look!
How do we get Jack Sharp to the lake with them there?
Peter, ask yourself, what would your father do?
He'd find a way. A good rabbit never gives up. Aha!
There they are!
They're mine! They're mine!
Tail feathers, they're ours!
Come here. You try it, Fox.
Empty!
We've been tricked.
Peter Rabbit!
I hope this works, Peter!
Not as much as I do.
Tell me when it's over!
Ready? 1, 2, 3! Jump! Good old Dad.
Yay!
We did it!
Congratulations. You might have saved that fish, but who's going to save you? Not my jacket!
Oh, tentacles, talons!
Thanks, Jack.
Thank you for getting me home. Your dad never let me down, and neither did you or your friends, Peter. So long.
Bye, Jack.
See you soon!
I guess it's time we went home too.
Tea time! Still no bites, eh? But don't be glum. Fishing can be awfully exciting sometimes. Believe me.
Oh, we know that, Mr. Fisher.
Now this looks like fun!
Doesn't it? See how quick the minnows are. They must be really hard to catch.
Almost as hard as crossing the stream. Watch this!
Oh, wow!
Woo! Not bad, huh?
Yeah, Lily nearly caught a minnow.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Ribbit, they're making noise again.
Cackling cacophony! Whoever heard such noise?
Come on, fish! You can't hide from us!
Oh, no! Still nothing.
Fish are attracted to shiny things. I know that for a fact. And I've got the perfect thing. Just in case bucket, just in case.
Great idea, Lily. Those fish are as good as caught.
All right!
No, I cannot make music like this. Please be quiet.
Who is making such a rowdy racket?
Quiet, I tell you. Less noise, I insist. Huh?
Got you, noisy!
This is all our fault. We have to do something.
We are. We're going to rescue our friend. Quick, the Jolid.
Help! I've been frog-napped. Hold on. What a lovely musical sound your wings make. Thump, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da. Thump, 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 da-da-da-da-da.
How can you talk about music at a time like this? You're about to get eaten.
No.
Lily, get his attention.
Oh! Tail feathers!
Whoa, help! Oh, I'm safe.
Mr. Fisher, hurry!
I found an exciting new sound for my musical masterpiece.
Oh no! Mr. Fisher!
Oh, that's a rather good musical sound, too. Splash, splash, dum da da dum dum da da. Splash, splash.
Oh no! Joe Shop swallowed Mr. Fisher! This is bad. This is very, very bad.
Quick, Benjamin! The fishing rod! I might not be able to catch a fish, but I can definitely tickle one.
That tickles.
Oh no! After him! Up to it!
Yes! I'm going to win!
Not if I can help it.
Or me! No way I'm going to lose this race.
Peter!
It's a beautiful day. Sounds like those young rabbits are having fun today. Oh. Well, that was a fine how do you do.
Oopsie.
Mr. Tolly! Come on! Oh no! Aha! Fishing? I can't reach him!
Now what?
There! The boat!
Peter?
Come on!
Jump on, quick!
We'll never catch him! Never say never, Benjamin!
Did you get him?
If by him you mean Jack Sharp, then yes. Yes, I did.
Well, isn't this a proper pickle I've got myself into? Oh, boy.
Jack Sharp! Stop!
Peter?
Sorry about this, Jack. We were aiming for Mr. Tolly. We accidentally knocked him out.
Onto a lily pad, and now he's drifting across the lake, and he can't swim back even if he wanted to because he's a tortoise, and tortoises can't swim. And I know that for a fact.
Anyway, we've got to rescue him.
Just in case, Pocket, just in case. Boys, we'd better hurry. He's heading towards Owl Island. Owl Island? This is bad. Really, really bad.
Come on then, guys. Let's hop to it. Bye, Jack.
Good luck. Well, that was quite a little adventure. All right, I hear you. I wonder what they've got to eat around here. Not bad. Not bad at all.
There's so much in here, Flopsy. Drawings and things to make and... Aha! A map! I wonder what all the red circles are. Really good picnic spots? Probably, Mopsy. And look! This Owl Island has an extra big red circle around it. This is going to be the best picnic ever! All thanks to Dad's journal. Wow, look! Cool. Why do you think they call it Owl Island, Flopsy? Probably because the island is shaped like an owl, Mopsy. Whoa! You're so clever, Flopsy!
So what do you think? Back to Mr. McGregor's garden? Huh? My dad's journal. It's gone.
What?
Where is it? It's got to be around here somewhere. Not here.
Or here. Don't worry, Peter. We'll find it.
I must have dropped it somewhere in the woods.
In that case, we need to go where we can get a better view.
Huh?
Come on.
Wait for me. That journal is more important to me than anything else in the world. It was the best thing my dad ever gave me. We've got to find it.
Stand aside. I'll find it.
Whoa!
Hello? I just don't get it.
Get what, Nutkin?
How you rabbits can be in two places at once. It's amazing! You're here and on the lake at the same time.
Huh? That's not us, Nutkin. That's Flopsy and Mopsy. Picnic basket, parasol, my journal? They've got my journal! I can't believe they just took it without asking. My dad gave that journal to me, and I'm going to get it back.
But Peter, they're heading straight for Owl Island.
Then that's where we're going too. Let's hop to it.
This is bad. Very bad. Hurry, Benjamin.
Off you go. No time to lose you back on your way.
Come on.
Off you go. 'Cause you can't afford to fail today. Proceed with care, think fast and stay aware, and you'll succeed at what you're trying to do.
Benjamin.
So up you go, and you should know the goal's in reach, it's waiting there
I've
for
got
you.
They're off. It's gone. Road to brave, road to brave.
Oh no, we're trapped.
What are we going to do? The journal. There might be an escape route.
No escape routes on the island?
After them!
We are trapped.
Run, run like you've never run before. Run, rabbit, run. Catch a shoe, you're done, so run some more. Your heart is pounding, those feet are sounding. So close to you, what can you do? Oh, rabbit, run. You better run. I think I hear them catching up to you.
Them rabbits are just too quick to catch.
It's silly to chase them anyway. There's nowhere they can go. They're stuck on this island forever.
Allow me.
Thanks.
Looks like we've lost them for now.
I can't believe we're stuck on this island. Sunk again.
Never fear. Squirrel emergency distress call coming up. All right, that didn't work. But is that a hilarious sound or what?
Too bad your dad didn't dig any secret escape tunnels or rig up any sliding rocks on this island, Peter. We might as well give up.
A good rabbit never gives up. Let's try again. It worked! Lily, do you have any string?
Just in case, Pocket, just in case. But I don't see what good...
My dad may not have built any escape routes here, but that doesn't mean we can't build our own.
There they are. What do you reckon they're up to?
Everybody on board.
Oh, not much. They're just escaping.
They're escaping! What?
Just like Dad.
Stop!
Hold on tight!
We're skimming! We're skimming! We're slowing down. We'll never make it to the shore, Peter. We'll sink.
We're not aiming for the shore.
Every picnic should end with a game of skimming stones.
See you later, Mr. Todd.